Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to turn on profile views on TikTok if it's not working. So basically TikTok has recently launched a new feature that now you can basically check that which person on TikTok has viewed your profile. So first of all you need to open up TikTok on your Android and iOS. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right here, and now here at the top you can see these steps option, and when you tap on this one it will show you all the accounts that has been recently viewing your TikTok profile. So if you don't see this option here in your TikTok profile, then maybe it is turned off. Okay, so just tap on these three lines here, tap on settings and privacy, tap on privacy here, and if you scroll down here at the end you can see this option where it says profile views. So if this is turned off, just make it like turned on. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.